Hi there. Have you ever tried listening to music and you just can't stop thinking of that song over and over again? Well, in this video, I will teach you how to put a song on repeat on Apple Music. First things first, open the Apple Music app on your device. Then, navigate to the song that you want to loop. You may search it if you want, or if it's already there shown, just click it right away to play it. Next, start playing the selected song. To access the repeat options, tap on the three lines or dots at the upper right of the screen. So this will show you the different songs. Now, if necessary, you may want to switch the views to the repeat option. This one. Now, if you want to enable repeat, you just simply tap on the repeat button. It's usually represented by two arrows forming a circle. Tapping this one will loop the song indefinitely. And if you tap it again, you will see a 1 symbol indicating that the song will be played once more before moving to the next track. To turn it off, just simply repeat the function. You tap the repeat button until it is deselected. So just keep tapping it. If you see one, that song will be played once more before proceeding to the next song. This dot here, that means all of the songs in the playlist will loop.